In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Danske Bank Norway app if it's not working. If you're experiencing issues with this app, don't worry, we'll take you through some quick and effective steps to get it running smoothly again. First things first, let's look at updating your apps. Sometimes an outdated app can cause functionality issues, so it's crucial to ensure that both the Danske Bank and the Bank ID apps are up to date. Head over to your App Store, be it the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android, and check for any available updates. If you see any, go ahead and download them. This simple step can often resolve nagging problems, as updates usually contain bug fixes and improved functionality. Next, let's try restarting the app or even your entire device. Begin by completely closing the Danske Bank app and then try reopening it. If this doesn't seem to do the trick, consider restarting your phone. This can clear any temporary glitches in the system or network that might be affecting your app's performance. Moving on, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the app to function properly. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and working. If you suspect that your current network is the problem, try switching to another network. This can sometimes bypass issues related to slower or unstable internet connections. Let's also ensure that the app has all the necessary permissions to operate. Double check that the Danske Bank app has the required permission to access the internet, storage, and notifications. To do this, go into your phone settings and navigate to the app's permissions section. Ensuring these permissions might unblock some of the restricted functionalities affecting the app. If the issue persists, it might be time to reinstall the app. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the Danske Bank app can help clear any bugs or corrupted data that might be clogging up its functionality. This step effectively gives you a fresh start without any residual problems from previous versions. Finally, if none of these solutions have resolved your issue, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support at Danske Bank Norway. They can offer more personalized assistance or troubleshoot issues that might be unique to your account or device. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to fix most common issues with the Danske Bank Norway app. Remember, keeping your apps updated and ensuring you have a stable connection are preventative measures that can help avoid similar problems in the future. Hopefully, this guide was helpful in getting you back on track. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.